So, so when you start, okay, you come over here. First thing you do is you shift to the left. Okay, shift to the left, and then make your right foot lighter, and then your toe come up, turn your body, and bring your toe with you. And put down your toe, and then you're gonna move your weight to your right leg at the same time, lower yourself. Okay, and then your arm gonna circle around. Okay, and then you lift up your left kneecap like this. Now this arm, don't reach out too far. Okay, the right arm don't reach out too far. Now you're gonna step out. Make sure you have shoulder width. Don't go across. Don't be too narrow. Okay, once you establish your footing. Okay, so this is not much stop, pause. So in the form, once you get down, your body needs to move. Okay, need to move, stop, move out. Here, like this. Okay, now once you're here, make sure you don't lean forward, lean side like this. Make sure you don't lean forward like this. Okay? And make sure you don't lean backwards like this. Body needs to be absolutely straight, upright. Okay, the key to establish that posture is you need to open up your hips. I saw a lot of people have trouble to get this position because their hip is so tight and they won't want to open. See, both hips need to open wide. Okay, now this leg need to straight point to that direction, and make sure your thigh bone, shin bone, toe bone all line up on a one straight line. Okay, go like this. And the other thing is, you want the upper body and lower body in sync. So when you go out, you need to go out at the same time. So the arm and the legs arrive at the same time. Okay? So go here, step out, here. Next, you shift your weight, sit. Now this is an empty stand, sit. And then you turn, you almost feel like you're closing the door. And then you shift to this, left leg, and you turn in the heel, and then you, looks like carrying a ball. And then you step forward, make sure you have your shoulder width around this direction. Okay? So the same way, as soon as you establish the footing, you need to move forward. Okay? Move forward. Ward off right. Now, it's the same thing. When you move forward, make sure the upper body and the lower body in sync. So arrive at the same time. Okay, then next, roll back, you open up. So when you open this up, you need to turn your waist. Not much in the hip. Okay? Don't turn the hip like this. Some people turn the hip like this. And then you actually destroy your footing. You no longer stand firm. So loosen up your hip joint, loosen up your waist, turn your waist over. Okay? Now you need to keep your hands in front of you. Turn your waist like this. Don't go like this. See, now your hands are to the side of the body. This doesn't have much strength. Okay, so you need to keep your hands in front of you. Turn to the side. Okay, so, and your head is always straight look ahead in front of your chest. So you turn this way. Alright? So you go here, open up, turn, sit the palm, and then you retreat, you pull back weight, roll back to the side. Okay? It's 45 degrees to your left. So over here, roll back, and then going back in front of you, and press. Okay? This is the press the same way. Up and lower body in sync. And don't overreach it. Don't go this. See, now you're overreaching it. Okay? Don't stick your chest. See, once you stick chest like this, see, you're breaking the energy flow, okay, from the leg. So this lumbar part has to be relaxed and sink. Your tailbone has to sink. Okay? Relax, open up your hip, sink down your body. And then you open up your palm. Okay, and then you retreat and pull back your palm like this. And then you need to sit, okay? So you sit and sit down, your palm go down, and then your palm go up when you push back out. Okay? So your palm should be about as high as your shoulder. Okay? Now it's the same, you need to synchronize your upper body and your lower body arrive at the same time. Okay, the two hands should be shoulder wide as the shoulder. Don't go too narrow, don't go too wide. Right there. And your elbow needs to drop. Okay, this is too much, too straight. This is not enough. Okay, you just push out. Make yourself, make your arm feel most relaxed and comfortable, but extend it as far as you can. Okay, and then the other thing is, make sure your elbow is dropped, your shoulder, elbow, wrist, and your fingers all line up on a single line. Okay, don't go out elbow like this. When you go out elbow like this, you no longer line up. That weakens the arm. So you need to drop the elbow, get it straight. Okay, all right. So you can stop it now.